Hi guys! Welcome back to another baking episode at Bona's Kitchen. Today we will make scrummy slutty brownies. Slutty brownies are made up of a layer of chocolate chip cookie dough, Oreo cookies, and brown butter. Are you ready? Let's get baking! For the cookie dough layer, we will need 2 cups of plain flour, 1 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of dark chocolate chips, 3/4 cup brown sugar, half cup white sugar, 1 medium egg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. In a bowl, add the butter and using a hand mixer, beat it until it becomes creamy. Then, add in the sugar and cream them together. Then, beat in the vanilla extract and the egg. Scrape the sides of the bowl and set this aside. In another bowl, combine together the flour, baking powder, baking soda, salt, and give it a whisk. Then, gradually add it onto the butter sugar mixture, about 3 or more addition. Now, fold in the chocolate chips Now, spread the dough evenly into a 9 by 13 inches baking pan. Then, set this aside while preparing for the brownie layer. For the brownie layer, we will need half cup white sugar, 2/3 cup cocoa powder, 3/4 cup unsalted butter melted, half cup plain flour, half cup brown sugar, 2 medium eggs, half cup dark chocolate chips, 2 teaspoons instant coffee, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, half teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of baking powder. For the Oreo layer, we will need 24 Oreo cookies. In a bowl, add the flour, baking powder, and salt, and the instant coffee, and give it a whisk. And don't forget the cocoa powder as well. In another bowl, add the sugars and the melted butter, vanilla extract, and eggs. Beat them together. Add the dry ingredients and mix them together until well combined. Then, fold in the chocolate chips. Now, arrange the Oreo cookies on top of the cookie dough layer. Then, spread the brownie mixture evenly. Then, bake this in a preheated oven of 170 degrees Celsius for about 35 to 40 minutes, or until a wooden pick inserted comes out mostly clean. After baking, let this completely cool before slicing. And here's our finished product! Slutty Brownies are decadent. They have a chewy chocolate chip cookie base, a layer of Oreo cookies, and a fudgy brownie on top. I hope you'll give this a try. If you like this recipe, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!